take the plank way. Oh shit, yeah. Oh, nearly fell. Nearly fell. Anything around there? Oh. Or you could just do this way. Yeah, we could have just gone that way. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I've got chubby, so I've got like no balance anymore. Like if I just bounce about shit. And this does not look like it'll be here much longer because it is fucked. In fact, look, most of these are snapped off. Look, you can see snap, snap, snap where people have climbed up. Ugh. Shit. That was meant to be a ladder, I'm guessing. Have you been up here? Is there a floor? Oh, okay. So basically stand near the edge. Try and stand. Oh shit! Fuck me. Ladies first. I'll let you dive. Is that what it's resting on, that? Oh, okay. Yeah, go. They just snap through the floor. Yeah, just in case it was. It looks pretty flimsy. Fucking. Yeah, well, I'll meet you up. This is a boiler. A fucking big boiler. Look at the size of that cunt. Well, if it can take that cunt. Oh, there's another one up there. If that fell, we'd die. Oh shit, there's a little gap. Oh, you can't walk along there. Fuck that. Have you been to the top? It's very cramped up here. Oh, there's graffiti up here, so there is like, it is stable. Yep. Not on it though. Oh, pigeon. Oh, that floor is not right. You're right. Look, I wouldn't go on that side though, because look, there's holes and shit in the floor. What? Watch push out the bag. That'll be the decades of shit. What? Is it scary? How scary? Why? You can torch on the bag then. There's another ladder. Thing is, we gotta go all the way back down. Is this even stable? That's just a dust of poo. Oh fuck, how are you gonna get up there? There's a hole there?
Yeah, hold this back. You look up there.
Oh nah man, that's dead end. You can see.
Push that latch open.
Careful with it. That's a water. This is a water tower. That's just a tap. You're not going to get much likes, obviously you're blocking it. If you fall, you're not just going to land on this floor, you're going to land on the floor underneath us. Which is another... In fact, you're not even going to land on that floor, you're going to land on the floor underneath that. So you're going to fall about 60 metres. Oh yeah, shine the light. Can you? Is the light actually helping? I'm gonna have to do it. Thank you. Is that a bat? Oh, you just blocked the only light in here. Do I have to come up now? One of the things on the ladder just broke. I got a GoPro. Don't touch the bell. Oh, there's all bird poo on it. Should have bought some cocaine, that would give me some balls.
Brought some cocaine up.
Yeah.
If you brought cocaine up, I'd be walking straight out of that fucking window.
Oh my god. Have you got your phone?
Yeah.
Do you want to take a picture of that shit? Let's a kitty flying. Hello!
I suck my
Don't do it, because if that's... I don't know, but look at that. Look how it's rang on. They're not going to give... No, it's not. It's a electrical one. It's got bird poo all over it.
I mean, that hatch, I don't know why that had to leave there, but that's fucking scary.
Just make one fucking ladder, wouldn't you? I wonder if I got this in front. Fucking hell, we're high.
I know.
I mean, if this was Tomb Raider, you'd swan dive into that river.
Oh, if I had balls, I'd love to jump and see if I could actually make it to the lake.
You'd probably